8 iPhone X tips and tricks you should know. Many of the iPhone X features are intuitive, but a number of them are not quite as obvious. Here are 18 iPhone X tips and tricks you should know about. 1. Activate Siri by pushing down side button. Activating the Siri digital assistant on the iPhone X is as simple as pushing down the side button on the right-hand side of the device. 2. Double tap the side button for Apple Pay. When you double-click the side button on the right-hand side of the device, it will open up Apple Pay. This makes it easier for you to pay bills without having to take your debit or credit card out of your wallet. 3. Home indicator opens the app switcher. Without a physical home button, Apple added a home indicator at the bottom of the screen. The home indicator is used for unlocking the device and for activating the app switcher. To activate the app switcher, you have to drag the open app with your finger from the home indicator to towards the right of the screen. Then you will see all of the open apps lined up in order to switch between them easier. 4. Swipe the bottom edge to return home. The home indicator line is also used for going back to the home screen when you have an app open. And swiping from the bottom edge while on the home screen will take you back to page 1, which comes in handy if you have multiple app icon pages. 5. Swipe left or right to switch between recent apps. One of the easiest ways to switch between recently opened apps is to swipe left or right on the home indicator line. 6. Swipe from the left ear for cover sheet. When you swipe down from the left ear, the area to the left of the notch, at the top of the iPhone X, it will show the cover sheet. The cover sheet used to be known as the notification center. 7. Swipe from the right ear for control center. When you swipe down from the right ear, the area to the right of the notch, at the top of the iPhone X, it will show the control center. You can also customize the control center under the Settings app, Control Center, Customize Controls. Note, this is how you can see the battery life that is left on your iPhone X as well. 8. Take a screenshot with the iPhone X. If you want to take a screenshot on the iPhone X, then you simply have to tap on the side button and the top volume button. 9. Force reset your iPhone X. In case you want to do a hard reset on your iPhone X, there are 3 steps. 1. Tap and release the volume up button. 2. Tap and release the volume down button. 3. Hold down the side button on the right-hand button for a few seconds until you notice the device restart and show the Apple logo that appears when the power is turned on.